Here's the affordable, loaded up, mid-size, third row seat SUV that you've been looking for. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2020 GMC Acadia SLT loaded with the infotainment package. Around back, dual exhaust outlets, rear park assist sensors, ample cargo room, even with that third row seat folded up. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 18-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Michelins. Quad seating configuration gives you 2 across in the second row, 2 more in the third row for 6-passenger capability. Rear heating and air controls, a rear 120-volt household outlet, dual USB ports, all located in the back of the center console. It's quick silver metallic with black leather interior. Color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals. LED daytime running lights, headlights, fog lights down below. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. My favorite option is always that dual skyscape moonroof. Perforated leather bucket seats, power seat, WeatherTech mats, incredible Bose sound system, power lift gate, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot warning located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Electronic parking brake, automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel, audio controls, cruise, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. 75,000 local trade-in miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory navigation, backup camera, push button start, dual zone climate control, push button gear selector, a 12-volt outlet, more USB ports, heated seats, keyless entry key fob including remote start, tailgate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, an auto dimming rear view mirror, OnStar, universal garage door opener, and those skyscape moonroof controls located overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2020 GMC Acadia SLT, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.